Subscribe to Techno Brine channel for latest videos and updates. Hi everyone, in this video I will show you an A3 lamination machine and how it works. So let's begin. This is an Amazon Basics lamination machine and the model number is L304-A. This is how the packaging is. So let's open the box. Inside the box we have the machine, documentation and these lamination pouches. So here are the specifications of the machine as per the instruction manual. These are the lamination pouches provided and these are A3 size, so they are quite big. And we have 5 A3 pouches. So let's check the machine. We have a 2-pin power plug. Here is the machine. It's all black color, Amazon Basics branding, and we have the power button and the ready light, cold and hot switch. So we can use it in a cold pass also and a hot pass also. And this is the release button in case there is a jam in the machine. So this is the unboxing, and now let's check the demonstration, how to use the machine. I have powered on the machine and let's wait for it to get ready. Meanwhile, I bought this lamination sheet roll and this is my logo. I will laminate it. Let's cut the lamination sheet roll. This paper size is A4, so this machine can laminate any size below A3 size. So we have to put the document, whichever we have to laminate, in between two sheets. Okay, now we have the green light, so it's ready. The paper is sandwiched between two sheets for lamination, and now we will insert it like this. Once we feed it into the machine will automatically So like this it will come out from the rear side. We still have some air bubbles trapped inside, so we will put it for a second pass. So here we have the output, and now the air bubbles are gone and the lamination is very much better. Now we can cut the sides as per the required size. Now it's ready. So like this we can laminate any document. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.